Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing very well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all an affordable 2-bedroom semi-detached property. This is Boston from Gleeson Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located in Bradford and there are really good schools nearby. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the kitchen with dining, living room and also a washroom. On the first floor you have 2 bedrooms with a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a small hall in front of you with the various partitions made towards your first floor and a kitchen with dining space and also the living areas. And you will be entering into your kitchen first. Some people really don't mind having their kitchen towards the front end like this. So if you look at the kitchen space, it's quite okay for a 2-bedroom house. The worktop is actually spread out to 3 different sides and you have a lot of cupboards at the bottom and even at the top. And also towards the kitchen side, you're getting a nice window, so plenty of natural light falling in the kitchen space. And since there's a worktop partition in between, you can actually plan a dining table towards the other end as well. I have done a similar property with Gleeson Homes. It's a 2-bedroom house and it's called Cork. But then in the front you actually have the living room and the kitchen and dining space are coming towards the back end. Now from this kitchen and dining area, moving towards the living space. Again, some people like to have the living areas like this behind with garden access. So it's a decent living room. As you can see, you have the garden access to these wide French doors given here. You'll be getting a nice spacious garden with fence around it as well. And also one more thing, even in this living room with this French door access, they managed to give you one extra window. So plenty of natural light falling in this living space. If you actually have a primary property in UK and if you're looking to invest in a secondary property, then these kind of small houses will be quite ideal. And also if you look at the location, it's in Bradford. It's a good industrial area and there are really good and outstanding schools nearby. So there's a lot of demand for these kind of smaller properties because people like to move into these kind of houses for rent for shorter period and for studies and other things. So you can think about investing in such properties. Also in between the kitchen and the living room, you're getting the washroom here in the ground floor. It's a small washroom. You have the water closet, sink, and they gave an exhaust. There's actually another small storage space here in the kitchen with a small door as well. You can plant something inside here as well. So this was all about the ground floor. Now let's move towards the first floor and check out the rooms there. So as I told you in the beginning, on the first floor we have 2 bedrooms and a common family bathroom. So first, checking out the master bedroom of the house. That is the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. It's actually quite big compared to the other bedrooms. It's slightly bigger than the double bedroom actually. So a king size bed can easily fit in and you have really good room space to walk around. Towards one side you're getting a nice wide window, so plenty of natural light falling in this bedroom. So from these windows here you can have the front visuals of the house. And also towards the opposite side they managed to give the entire wall with the wardrobes. And the space also is taken inside, so it's not occupying the extra room space outside. Overall, a decent bedroom with really good space. Now moving towards the second bedroom of the house, which is just beside it. Now this is a little smaller than the master bedroom, but it's slightly bigger than the single bedroom. As you can see, the space is given in length and you have a nice window towards the other end. So you can plan a single cot here in this bedroom and also a wardrobe if you want to. The space is quite okay. This is all about the second bedroom of the house. Now let's check out the common family bathroom which is coming in the middle. So this is the family bathroom. You have the tub, water closet, sink, and there's also a nice window. Again, it's up to you. If you feel the space is little congested, you can actually remove the tub and plan a walk-in shower. Then the bathroom looks more spacious. Overall, a decent property for really good price. If you're looking to invest in such smaller properties, then definitely give it a thought. Area wise, it's really good. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on our future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.